I'm going to get married.
You are not.
I am.
Who are you engaged to?
No one, not yet, but I know a girl up here, you see. We're vaguely acquainted, and she's one heck of a girl, though, and I haven't asked her yet, and I'm not really sure where she lives, but
If you have to get married my way.
your way.
Polygamy.
Every time I come home, I love him more and more. Every time I go, it just tears me to pieces.
Oh, very intense, aren't you?
Stink! Oh, going, where is it? My darling,
Oh, God. Gloria and Gabriella are just behind these doors. And any minute now, Gretchen is going to walk through those doors. It's Gabriella.
What?
He had the headache.
What?
You have a headache.
I have a headache.
I know what you need. I'll get you an aspirin.
Get me a cup of tea.
Oh, I think that's always a guest room.
No!
Come on, or I won't go.
Right, come in here.
My button's too hot.
What?
The button's too hot.
We'll blow on it.
You leave it now?
Yeah, but he's saying he's charming. See you soon.
The bathroom, I have a bath, and whoosh, there it is again. Yeah, whoosh, there it is.
Hey, wait a minute. You mean to tell me there were 2 men in your life this entire time?
Oh, no, darling, no.
Oh, good.
3. Most American men stay babies their whole lives.
Really? That long.
The Kinsey report proved it.
Did it?
Yes. The report proved that by the man always saying yes to the woman, she can work to total exhaustion.
And the men don't complain?
Oh, they complain. But as soon as we worked into exhaustion, we're off to Reno nowadays. A woman can get a divorce now in as little as 6 weeks for mental cruelty. And that means alimony.
And what happens if the man doesn't pay it?
Jail.
Jail?
Yes, so to avoid going to jail, he has to pay up, he has to work, he has to produce. This ensures a stable economy, and that's why America is such a great country.